there's a forgotten muscle that acts as a hack for low back tension. It's called the transverse abdominis, your deep core. Most people only train the surface abs, the six-pack muscles that we can see, which move the trunk but don't stabilize it. On the other hand, deep core muscles like the transverse abdominis basically wraps around your spine like a natural corset. So when it's active, it stabilizes your spine and reduces pressure on your discs and joints. This is what actually keeps your back strong and pain-free. Let's take this research from 2011, where it showed that patients who improved their activation of the transverse abdominis were 14 times more likely to have less low back pain after just 1 year. So better TRA control led to less chronic back pain. So here's an exercise for you. You can lie on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees, or at least try as much as you can. Press your lower back flat into the floor. That's the key. Palms facing the ceiling to keep your shoulders relaxed. Now pedal slowly like riding a bike in the air, and keep your core tight and pulled in. Breathe steadily. Your abs should stay flat the whole time. Another version of this would be to let your heels touch the floor before going back to the initial position. So for many people, lasting relief from pain doesn't come from rest alone. It often starts with reactivating the muscles that have been silenced by our modern lifestyle. So train deep, guys, not just surface, and your spine and back will thank you.